Welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing an install on some tow mirrors on my 2018 Ford F-150. And I mean, these things are huge. You can see I got the one, the tinted light, the puddle. I'll show you guys mine. Some little stockies, pretty tiny. All you gotta do is pry off this plastic piece. You could try like I have a screwdriver, straight head, flat head, dumbass. Honestly, I already had it off. Show me the socket. And then these are 10 millimeters. Two 10 millimeters, two over here. Give me the... So after you take off the 10 millimeters, there's two right here, two right here. Make sure you unclip the harness, just like that. You just put it to the side. And then that's pretty much it. You just gotta play with the mirror and get it out. There it is. And that is a stock mirror. It's a lot of help if you have someone else help you. There's a gasket inside between the mirror and the door. It comes with when you order it. You guys might want to rip it a little more because it's not fully these holes over here, you won't be able to see them if you don't rip it. So make sure you guys do that. And yeah, we're just tying up some bolts right now. We should be done in a minute. Putting on the last piece right here. And that is it. We'll show you guys the final product right now. Oof, that shit looking mean. And these slide in and out. That's for when you tow, and that's when you don't. And then they have a few options. You can get the one that's not tinted. I went with the one tinted because my car is gray, so I think it looked a little better. There's a clear one, but I mean, wasn't my style. Here's a little walk around my truck. Has a leveling kit on it, some side steps, some fuels. It's a 2018 EcoBoost twin turbo V6. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I mean, it's a little bit of an install right now, but we'll get some parts in soon. Like I said, if you want more videos, let us know. We're doing stuff like this all the time. And I'll update you guys on that harness, see how it comes out at the end. Yeah, check us out in the next videos. My brother got a lot of content on this Ram coming up soon, so stay tuned. Peace.